Hi, my name's Inky. I'm one of the UK's top street artists working with Victorinox on this stand. I've done 5 Art Nouveau based designs and some Swiss based designs which the general public can come up and edit themselves and redraw over the top and put their own personalised messages on. They then get to go to the store and get their own free knife. The art battle later on will be between myself and a guy called Chu, who's another one of the UK's top artists, alongside 2 Swiss artists. And, the end result will be given away to charity and we'll see who wins.
Victorinox on New Bond Street. We were wandering around Borough Market yesterday. They were giving away these free and you could design them yourself, so we jumped on the iPad and here we are collecting them, so very good service. And
I've collected my free Swiss Army knife, which is pretty cool.
Let's make together a toast to Great Britain, to London 2012 and the incredible excitement and success of the Olympic Games.